Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G60, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. And to get started, you'll want to open up your standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder right over here. And you'll see a page like this. So you want to start off by selecting Fix and Manage. And in here you can choose Import from SIM. This will display and automatically also select all the contacts that are on your SIM card. You can deselect some of them if you don't want all. And also if you see already some contacts that are deselected, don't worry, those contacts exist on your phone and the phone is just simply trying to stop you from duplicating it. And last thing would be this drop down right here. As you can see, Save To. Right now it is set to my Google account, but I can tap on the drop down and also change it to another Google account or to the device. Benefit of importing it to Google account is that if you have any other device that is logged into the same account, those contacts will automatically appear on that other device as well, and it will be just uniformly synced between all the devices that are using this account. But when doing this on the device, then obviously the contacts will just stay on this single device. Choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna stick with the device right here, and then I'll select Import. This will give me the amount of contacts that have been imported. It also asks me if I want to back up these contacts to the Google account anyway, but I can disregard it. And when we go to contacts, you can see that they would be here. We do need to first click right here on this icon of a Google account and change it to the device or wherever you chose your contacts to be imported to. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.